Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud Online Training. What is Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud and how does it benefit businesses? Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud is a comprehensive suite of marketing solutions that helps businesses improve their marketing effectiveness by leveraging data-driven insights, personalized content, and targeted customer engagement. It offers tools for B2B marketing, focusing on customer acquisition, lead generation, and account-based marketing, ABM. Key features of Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud. Audience segmentation. Anti-Riad provides advanced segmentation tools that help businesses identify and target specific audience groups based on data-driven insights, enhancing the precision of marketing efforts. Data enrichment. The platform offers data enrichment services that provide additional insights about prospects and customers, ensuring more personalized and relevant communication. Account-based marketing. ABM Anti-Riad supports ABM strategies by allowing businesses to engage with high-value accounts through tailored marketing campaigns. Lead scoring and nurturing. With lead scoring capabilities, businesses can prioritize leads based on engagement and intent, helping sales and marketing teams focus on the most promising prospects. Cross-channel campaigns. Anti-Riad enables businesses to manage and execute marketing campaigns across multiple channels, including email, social media, and web, providing a unified experience. Analytics and reporting. The platform offers robust analytics and reporting features to track campaign performance, understand customer behavior, and make data-driven decisions. Benefits for businesses. Improved customer targeting. By leveraging detailed audience insights and segmentation, businesses can target the right prospects with personalized messages, increasing the chances of conversion. Enhanced lead conversion. With lead scoring and nurturing features, businesses can effectively guide leads through the sales funnel, improving conversion rates and sales outcomes. Better ROI on marketing spend. Anti-Riad's ability to fine-tune campaigns based on data and insights allows businesses to allocate resources more effectively, leading to a better return on investment. Streamlined marketing operations. The cross-channel capabilities and automated workflows help businesses reduce manual work and streamline their marketing operations, improving efficiency. Scalable marketing efforts. As businesses grow, Anti-Riad's cloud-based infrastructure allows them to scale marketing efforts easily, without the need for significant infrastructure investments. How can Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud enhance customer segmentation? Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud can enhance customer segmentation in several ways, enabling businesses to create more personalized and effective marketing campaigns. Here's how. Data integration. Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud integrates various data sources, including CRM, web analytics, email, and social media data. By combining these data points, it allows businesses to build a comprehensive customer profile, ensuring that segmentation is based on a 360-degree view of each customer. Advanced analytics. The platform uses advanced analytics and machine learning to identify patterns and trends in customer behavior. It can segment customers based on demographics, purchasing habits, browsing behavior, and engagement with previous marketing efforts. These insights help marketers refine their targeting strategies. Behavioral segmentation. Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud can track customer interactions with digital touchpoints, example, websites, emails, ads, in real time. This enables dynamic segmentation based on behavior such as website visits, email opens, click-through rates, or social media engagement. Marketers can then create personalized campaigns tailored to specific behavioral segments. Predictive segmentation. By leveraging predictive analytics, Anteriad can forecast future behaviors or actions of customers. This allows businesses to anticipate needs, such as likely purchases or churn, and create segments that are not only based on past behavior but also on future predictions. Real-time segmentation. The platform enables real-time segmentation, meaning that as customer data changes or new interactions occur, customer segments can be dynamically updated. This ensures that marketing messages are always relevant and up to date. Segmentation for multi-channel marketing. Anteriad allows segmentation across multiple channels, email, social, web, mobile, etc., ensuring that customers receive consistent and personalized messaging across all touchpoints. Segments can be used to optimize the delivery of content, offers, or promotions tailored to each customer's preferences. Audience testing and refinement. With Anteriad, marketers can test different customer segments and measure the effectiveness of their strategies. A/B testing can help refine segmentation strategies to identify which groups respond best to specific marketing tactics, improving ROI. What are the key features of Anteriad Marketing Cloud? Anteriad Marketing Cloud is a data-driven marketing platform that focuses on providing advanced targeting, personalization, and insights to enhance customer engagement. Here are some of the key features of Anteriad Marketing Cloud. Customer Data Platform (CDP). Anteriad Marketing Cloud integrates data from various sources to create a unified customer profile, enabling personalized experiences and better segmentation. Advanced Audience Segmentation. The platform allows for precise segmentation based on demographic, behavioral, and transactional data, helping marketers target specific customer groups with tailored messages. Personalization. Anteriad enables dynamic content and personalized experiences across various channels, ensuring that customers receive relevant messages at the right time. Omnichannel marketing. The platform supports seamless marketing across multiple channels, including email, web, social media, and mobile apps, ensuring consistent messaging and customer engagement. Analytics and reporting. Anteriad offers robust analytics tools that help marketers measure campaign performance, track customer behavior, and gain actionable insights to optimize future campaigns. Data activation. The platform enables real-time activation of customer data across marketing channels, ensuring that insights are translated into actionable marketing tactics. Lead generation and nurturing. Anteriad's marketing tools support lead generation through various tactics such as content marketing, landing pages, and automated email campaigns. It also provides lead nurturing capabilities to guide prospects through the sales funnel. Marketing automation. The platform automates repetitive marketing tasks such as email campaigns, lead scoring, and customer segmentation to improve efficiency and save time. Integrations. Anteriad integrates with various third-party tools and platforms such as CRMs, social media channels, and ad networks, allowing for a more streamlined marketing process. Privacy and compliance. The platform ensures that marketing practices comply with data privacy regulations, example GDPR, CCPA, and offers features for managing consent and data protection. How does Anterior Marketing Cloud integrate with existing marketing systems? Anterior Marketing Cloud offers integration capabilities that enable it to work seamlessly with existing marketing systems. Here's how it integrates with other tools and platforms. APIs and webhooks. Anterior provides APIs and webhooks that allow real-time data exchange with external marketing systems like CRM platforms, email marketing tools, and customer data platforms, CDPs. This ensures that data flows seamlessly between different systems. Pre-built integrations. Anterior offers pre-built connectors for commonly used marketing tools such as Salesforce, HubSpot, Marketo, and others. These integrations enable easy syncing of customer data, marketing campaigns, and analytics between the Marketing Cloud and third-party systems. Data import and export. It supports data import-export in various formats, CSV, Excel, etc., enabling easy integration with systems that may not have direct connectors but can handle these formats. Customer Data Platform, CDP, integration. The platform integrates with CDPs to unify customer data from multiple touchpoints, creating a single customer view. This allows businesses to leverage Anterior's advanced segmentation and targeting capabilities based on a comprehensive set of customer behaviors and profiles. Marketing automation. Anterior works well with marketing automation platforms, offering integration to enhance campaign management and performance. It can sync customer segments and behavioral data to trigger automated workflows in the marketing system. Analytics and reporting integration. It can push data into analytics platforms like Google Analytics or custom buy tools, providing businesses with comprehensive reports and insights. Third-party data sources. Anterior also integrates with third-party data providers to enrich customer profiles with external insights, improving segmentation and targeting capabilities. What is the role of data analytics in Anterior Marketing Cloud? Data analytics plays a pivotal role in Anterior Marketing Cloud by enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions that enhance marketing effectiveness. Here's how it contributes. Customer segmentation. Analytics helps in segmenting customers based on various attributes such as behavior, demographics, and purchasing patterns. This allows for more personalized and targeted marketing campaigns, leading to higher engagement and conversions. Campaign optimization. By analyzing campaign performance data, marketers can identify which strategies are effective and which are not. This insight helps in optimizing campaigns in real time for better ROI. Predictive analytics. Leveraging historical data, predictive analytics in Anterior can forecast future trends, customer behaviors, and market dynamics. This allows businesses to anticipate customer needs and adjust marketing strategies proactively. Cross-channel insights. Anterior Marketing Cloud aggregates data across multiple channels, email, social media, website, etc. This holistic view enables marketers to understand how different touchpoints influence customer behavior and fine-tune strategies for each channel. Attribution modeling. Analytics in Anteriad allows businesses to track and analyze how different marketing efforts contribute to sales or lead generation, helping marketers to allocate budgets effectively. Customer journey analysis. Data analytics enables the tracking of customer journeys across various touchpoints, providing insight into customer decision-making processes. This helps businesses deliver more relevant content and offers at each stage of the journey. How can Anteriad Marketing Cloud improve lead generation and nurturing? Anteriad Marketing Cloud can enhance lead generation and nurturing by offering a suite of features that enable more personalized, data-driven, and effective campaigns. Here's how it can help. 1. Data-driven insights. Segmentation and targeting. Anteriad Marketing Cloud can leverage its rich data to segment leads based on behavior, demographics, and engagement patterns. This enables marketers to target the right audience with relevant messaging, increasing the chances of successful lead generation. Behavioral tracking. By monitoring interactions with emails, websites, and social media, it can track lead behavior and preferences, allowing for precise targeting and more personalized nurturing strategies. 2. Automated lead scoring. Lead scoring. Anteriad Marketing Cloud uses behavioral data and demographic information to assign a score to each lead, prioritizing those who are more likely to convert. This helps marketing teams focus their efforts on high-potential leads and ensures they receive the right content at the right time. 3. Personalized content delivery. Dynamic content. It allows the creation of personalized email and website content based on the individual preferences and behaviors of leads, enhancing engagement and improving the likelihood of conversion. Email nurturing campaigns. By automating email workflows that deliver timely, personalized content, Anteriad can help nurture leads through the funnel, keeping them engaged and moving toward a decision. 4. Multi-channel engagement. Omnichannel marketing. Anteriad enables lead nurturing across multiple channels such as email, social media, web, and display advertising. This ensures that your message reaches leads wherever they are, reinforcing brand awareness and engagement. Cross-channel analytics. Anteriad aggregates data across various touchpoints, providing a comprehensive view of each lead's journey. This allows for more effective optimization of campaigns and better understanding of how leads interact with your content. 5. Real-time analytics and optimization. Performance tracking. The platform provides real-time analytics, allowing marketers to monitor campaign performance and make data-driven adjustments. By understanding which content and strategies are most effective, you can continually refine lead nurturing processes. A/B testing. Marketers can test different content, subject lines, and messaging to see which variations produce the best results in terms of engagement and lead conversion. 6. Integration with CRM and sales tools. Lead handoff to sales. Anteriad seamlessly integrates with CRM systems, ensuring smooth handoff of qualified leads to the sales team. This integration ensures that sales reps have the latest lead data and can engage with leads effectively at the right stage of the buying journey. 7. Lead retargeting. Retargeting campaigns. With Anteriad's retargeting capabilities, you can re-engage leads who have interacted with your brand but haven't yet converted. This approach helps to increase conversions by staying top of mind and reminding leads about your offerings. 8. Predictive analytics. Forecasting. Using predictive analytics, Anti-Riad can forecast lead behavior and future trends, allowing marketers to optimize strategies for lead nurturing and identify high-potential leads before they are fully ready to buy. What are the security and compliance measures in Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud? Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud employs several key security and compliance measures to ensure that customer data is protected and adheres to industry standards. Here are some of the primary security and compliance features. 1. Data encryption. Encryption in transit. Anti-Riad ensures that data transmitted between clients and their servers is encrypted using protocols like HTTPS, SSL TLS to protect sensitive information from interception. Encryption at rest. Data stored within the Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud is encrypted, reducing the risk of unauthorized access to stored information. 2. Access control and authentication. Role-based access control. RBAC Anti-Riad implements RBAC to ensure that only authorized personnel can access specific data or functionality within the platform. Multi-factor authentication. MFA is employed for an added layer of security, requiring users to verify their identity using multiple methods, example password plus a one-time code, before gaining access. Single sign-on. SSO. For organizations that use SSO, Anti-Riad can integrate with identity management systems to streamline and secure the authentication process. 3. Data privacy and compliance. GDPR compliance. Anti-Riad complies with the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, to protect personal data and ensure individuals' rights regarding their data. CCPA compliance. The platform adheres to the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, providing users with control over the collection and use of their personal data. HIPAA compliance. For industries dealing with health-related data, Anti-Riad can be configured to meet the standards required for compliance with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. 4. Audit trails and logging. Anti-Riad implements robust logging and auditing mechanisms to track all activities on the platform. These logs can help detect and investigate security incidents, ensuring accountability and transparency. 5. Vulnerability management. Regular security assessments and penetration testing are conducted to identify vulnerabilities in the platform. Anti-Riad also maintains a process for patching and addressing any vulnerabilities that are discovered. 6. Data retention and deletion policies. Anti-Riad provides customers with tools and policies to manage data retention and ensure proper deletion of data when it is no longer needed, in line with regulatory requirements. 7. Third-party risk management. Anti-Riad works with trusted third-party vendors and conducts thorough risk assessments to ensure that partners meet high security standards and comply with relevant regulations. 8. Incident response plan. In the event of a security breach, Anti-Riad has a detailed incident response plan that includes notifying affected parties and taking corrective actions to mitigate damage. Why choose ProExcellency for Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud online training can offer several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency provides instructors with extensive knowledge and experience in Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud, ensuring that students gain valuable insights and practical skills. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program covers all essential aspects of Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud, including advanced features, integrations, and best practices, giving learners a solid foundation in using the platform effectively. Flexible learning. ProExcellency offers online training, allowing students to learn at their own pace and convenience without the constraints of a physical classroom setting. Hands-on learning. The training includes practical exercises and case studies that help students apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios, enhancing their understanding and competence. Personalized support. Learners receive individual attention and support from trainers, which is especially helpful in resolving specific queries or issues they might encounter during the training. Up-to-date content. ProExcellency ensures that its curriculum is aligned with the latest trends and features of Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud, keeping students updated with the platform's advancements. Certification preparation. The training prepares students for certification exams by providing them with the necessary knowledge and skills required to pass Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud certification tests. Global reach. As an online provider, ProExcellency can cater to learners from all around the world, offering accessibility to those interested in mastering Anti-Riad Marketing Cloud. Thank you.